Hey folks, how you doing today? Today we're going to be talking about the 203 RBK by Coachmen Apex. As you can see, got the front cap on this one and a window, which is very good for lighting. Also, you get your propane tank, and there is also on this side there is a solar on the side if you wanted to add a little extra solar panel to, put some more power in there. I'm gonna move over here, front diamond plate, which is awesome. And look at this, enclosed. All right, this one comes with a slide for a 20-foot trailer. It's really small. Okay, you also have the outside shower right here with all your hookups and your drain pipes right there. Then you got a tire on the back here. Also has an outside kitchen, one of the only small trailers, one of the only small ones that have an outside kitchen, and it's not a bunkhouse, so that's pretty cool. Power awning, and you have two speakers outside. So as you folks can see here, queen size bed, and that window we talked about, this adds a lot more light to it. I like the window. Storage up top here, all the way around on both sides. You have a plug-ins on each side, and also you have room to sit your books or CPAP machines or anything like that. And the bed, of course, you got storage under there. Lighter interior. People are really liking the light interior that they're adding to a lot of the trailers now. That helps out with heat and drawing heat. You have your nice dinette table right here. Also folds into a bed. Then you have a small pantry with 3 big shelves that's really deep. This also has a heated underbelly. There's also tongue and groove plywood. Now, if you take a look in here, they eliminated those doors, and you got a really big shower right here. Even a tall guy like myself could fit right in here easily. You got your sink on this side, and you got your toilet right here. And look at this storage right here, though. Look how deep that goes. You can put a lot of stuff in there. Fantastic fan. Then you come over here to the kitchen area. Fridge, Dometic fridge and freezer. You have your microwave. 2 burners on this one. You have the AC in the top here. This is your AC and your heat right here. And you got more storage right here for all your foods and stuff like that. So if you guys have any questions about this trailer, feel free to give me a call. My name is Anthony Fuller. You can reach me at 541-653-2818 and ask me any question. This is a lightweight trailer. You're looking at about, what, 3,700 pounds on this trailer. So you could tow this one with a small truck or a small SUV. Thank you, folks, and give me a call. All right.